Hi everyone, so this will be a very quick tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can insert this send symbol in Microsoft Word with just a simple shortcut from your keyboard. As you can see, I have already inserted it here, so I just delete it. Now to insert it, we have two different methods. We can just go to insert, and then I can just choose the symbol from here. Like if I just go to this symbols from here, and I can just insert euro and other option. But if you want to use your keyboard to insert this send in your word, you can just press Ctrl and then the backslash and C from your keyboard, and it will automatically insert the symbol here. You can see here. So like this you can just insert it. So you need to press, let me show you again. So I just open my on screen keyboard, so you can easily see what I am typing here. So as you can see, this is our keyboard. So I just backspace this. So I will press this Ctrl and then this and C. Now you can see I just inserted the send symbol in Microsoft Word. So this was the tutorial how you can insert send symbol in Microsoft Word with just using the simple keyboard shortcut. I hope you like the video, and if you learned something new, please do hit the like button, and if you have any question or suggestion for videos, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys on the next video.